Here's how I turned this into this. So the first thing I needed to do was to clean and organize this mess, and there was a lot to do. Moldy sponge. At this point, I kind of discovered that the whole thing was covered in mildew, so I could take off the doors and the back and then clean the whole thing. Then I painted the cabinet in the same grays for the pegboard back here, and it was looking so much better. At this point, I sanded and stained the top of the cabinet with some tung oil finish, and I think it makes it look a lot nicer. Then I cut a piece of hardboard that could replace the back, which was just covered in mildew before, and nailed it into place. Another thing I really wanted to have in this cabinet was a lot of really shallow drawers. So I used some furring strips and a little bit more of that hardboard to make some drawers. at this point, everything was without handles. So for the top drawers, I used some I already had laying around, and for the bottom ones, I 3D printed my own and just nailed them in place. So now all I had to do was put on the miter saw and the paper cutter I wanted to put on it. And I also attached that metal strip back there so that I could hang stuff on it. It was a lot of work, but I'm really happy with how it came out. If you've got any workshop projects that you really like or you want to see me make next, let me know in the comments down below, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what I'm making next.